How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to enable direct messages from everyone on Discord, which will allow anyone on Discord to send you a message even if they are not on your friend list. So let's just dive right into the video. Step number one is opening up the Discord application onto your device. Just go ahead and open up the Discord app on your mobile device and then log in into your account. After you have successfully logged in, you just need to head over to your profile icon at the bottom left or bottom right at your mobile and just go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right after going here. After tapping on it, you can find different options here for your account settings. So you're just going to locate the option called content and social, which is on the third. And after going here, we can find sensitive media and different available options of privacy. So here we can see direct messages from friends. So what you're going to do is click on it and we can find show, blur or block. So we're just going to select show so that each and everyone can send us messages from either friends, and from others we just need to make it show again. And messages in server channels also make it show. And here is other option, direct messages spam filter. Just you're gonna go ahead and click on do not filter if you want. If you don't want spam messages, if you want spam messages, just go ahead and click on it. And after that, you're gonna go ahead and enable age restricted comments as well, so that from apps and direct messages you will be getting messages from there as well. Just go ahead and enable this option. And here are other options of server settings. So here is direct messages with the toggle option, which will allow DMs from other server member. So you're just going to turn it on so that other server member will be able to directly DM you as well. And the message request as well, just turn it on so that other can message you and allow direct messages from other server members as well. And then friend request everyone, and that should probably do it. So that is it. Follow the steps and you should be able to enable DMs from everyone on Discord. So if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Discord tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions, and see you in the next video.